Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to change size of floating accessibility button shortcut in Realme 14x phone. So we are talking about this button here. So first we need to go to settings. Next in settings we are looking for accessibility and convenience menu. Next at the top we need to go to accessibility, and in the general tab we need to go to the accessibility button menu. And here we have options for our button. So we can change its location, we can change its size here. So right now we have the large option selected, we can change it to the smaller one, and we can go back to the large one if we want to. Of course we have the fade option here, so we can turn it on or off to fade when not in use, and we can change the transparency of the button when the button is not in use. And that's pretty much it. Goodbye.